Warm greetings. In this video session, I will show or I will discuss about navigation of the class models. So this is second model, third chapter, and last topic is navigation of the class model. So in the navigation of the class model, you consider an institution where issue of a mini credit card account and each identified by a account number. Each account has a maximum credit limits as well as current balance and a mailing address. The account serves one or more customers who resides at the mailing address. The account serves one or more customers who resides at the mailing address. The institution periodically issue a statement for each account. The institution periodically issues a statement for each account. The statement lists a payment due date, finance charges, and minimum payment. The statement itemizes various transactions that have occurred throughout the billing interval: cash advance, interest charges, purchase, fees, adjustment to the account, etc. So these are the various have to consider in credit card accounts. So we'll see how to draw the credit. There is a credit card account class model for managing credit card accounts. So here we express behavior of the navigation among the classes and models and hidden flows. There is hidden flows and constructs in the class model with OCL, etc. And object constraint languages will having it attributes to support the class model. And how many credit card account does the account customer currently have? What is the total maximum credit card for the customer for all accounts? We can pose a variety of questions against the model. You can see this model here. You can see the mailing addresses, credit card account and institution having the that is what to say association name, and credit card having an association name, and this multiplicity in my mailing address for many customer can having the same mailing addresses. So that's why they have indicated many to many, and mailing address for the credit card account, that is many credit card can have only one mailing addresses. So credit card account holders of the institution can have 0 to 1, and statement can have a 1 to 0 to 1. And you can see the transaction number for the transaction, and this is what the inheritance. If any of the cash advance, this was inheritance for all this class model. Interest, purchase, fee, adjustment, and merchant can have a multiple purchaser. One merchant can have multiple purchaser, and this is what the credit card class model for managing credit card accounts. And so various variety of questions can arises by seeing this model. What transaction occurred for a credit card accounts within a time interval? So within a time interval, what transaction occurred for a credit card, and what volume of transactions were handled by the institution in the last year? So the institution, what volume of transactions were handled by the last year? This can, by this they can have all the transactions, because the transaction is inheritances by the cash advance, interest, purchase, fee, adjustment, etc. So by this institution can have a transaction that is in the last year. What customer that is patronized a merchant in the last year by kind of credit cards, and how many credit cards accounts does a customer currently having? What is the total maximum credit for a customer for all accounts? So these are the variety of questions can be arises. See, before that is client, when he comes to the software engineer team or requirement engineering team, when he says requirements, what are the things he required, so according to that, the class model, there is a diagram will be drawn by the software engineer for the next implementation team. So implementation team, by seeing this diagram, they can have all sort of questions. What are the questions has been arised by the customer. So according to that, you keep on start coding the content for the application. So this is what actually there is. Navigation of the class model of credit card account. So they can ask in the examination, write a class model diagram for the credit card account holder. So if they ask, you should supposed to write this type of this diagram. By this, I'm winding up the second model, navigation of class model, and next OCL, yeah, object, that is constraint languages, object constraint language, OCL. I've covered in the last video session. So by this, we'll wind up the second model.